Here's a box from my friend Dale at Dale's Workshop. Let's see what goodies we got here. Here's a note. Bill, I had some extra from a recent estate sale. Hope you have fun with them. If you can't use them, pass them along to someone else. Hope you and the missus have a good Halloween. So now it's time for turkey or ham. See you out there, Dale. Thanks, Dale. Appreciate that very much. Let's see here. What have we here? Oh, cool. Proto tape measure. Nice. Looks brand new. Very nice. Thank you. Kind of heavy, whatever it is. Oh, nice. Ball peen hammer head. Number 15. 16, I believe. Looks in good shape. This needs to be cleaned up. Very good. Oh, wow. Nice. Let's see. Number F8. That'll clean up nicely. Then I'll be able to see some a maker's mark on it, hopefully. Okay, it's a Stanley F6. Great, thanks, Dale. That'll clean up very nicely. And it'll probably get used here too. Nice little box wrench. Offset box wrench. Crescent. Nice. 1/2 and 7/16. Side cutters. Good shape. Let's see. Can't see a maker's mark right offhand. Maybe they'll show up later, but looks like they're in really nice shape. Just need to be cleaned up a little bit. Last, we have a pair of needle nose pliers. I think there may be a maker's mark under there somewhere. The cutting edges look okay. Got some rust on it, but they will clean up very nicely, I'm sure. Okay. There you go. Dale, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Let me get him in the frame here a little better. Okay, these will be used in some upcoming projects. Thanks, Dale. Be sure to check out Dale's workshop if you haven't already. Dale's a really good guy and he does really nice work. I got a package in the mail today from Andy M. So let's open it up and see what Andy sent us. Looks like there's some fabric in there or something. I want to be careful not to cut anything. All right, cool. Lowe's apron. Thank you, Andy. Let's see what else we got here. Wow. Craftsman. Push drill. Looks like a Craftsman push drill. In need of a little bit of cleanup. Three bits. Looks like it works. I think that'll clean up real nice. Thank you, Andy. I really appreciate that. Very nice of you. Check out Andy's channel if you haven't. Andy M. He's a good guy. I got a sticker from Resto Rob to add to my collection. Thanks, Robert. Appreciate it. Check out his channel if you haven't already. Resto Rob. These Lineman's pliers are pretty rusty and dirty. The rust is so thick on part of it I can't really make out the maker's mark. I think it says Fuller. We'll have to see after we remove a little bit of the rust. This is my first attempt at Lineman's pliers, so I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. I guess we'll find out. Looks like the maker's mark says Fuller 194-8. Now let's remove those nasty looking handle grips. The handles have some kind of covering on them, like it's almost like paint or adhesive. I don't think it's adhesive. I think it's more like a paint. Fuller 194-8. Looks like the evaporust took the paint off also, which is good. I'm going to work with the angle grinder and a flat disc here. I'm going to have to be real careful because there are some very deep pits right around and on top of the maker's mark. I want to preserve the maker's mark even if it means leaving some fairly deep pits. I'm going to try to file down some of the casting marks and make the handles a little smoother. Now for the 1-inch belt sander. Now I'm cleaning around the jaws and the joint with the Dremel wire brushes. Now for some work with the fiber wheel. And now on to the buffing wheels.
I meant to do that.
Thanks for watching the cleanup of this Fuller 194-8 Lineman's pliers. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was kind of a fun project for me. I'd not done lineman's pliers before, so hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.